Magandang hapon po ng April 20, 2024 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 20, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, April 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas na para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 20, 2024 Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 17 million pesos for Saturday, April 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 20, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.